talagang dapat yung LTO po talaga, national law should be supreme. Yung ordinance, we've complained about this last Congress pa po. Nagkaroon pa nga po tayo ng privileged speech tungkol dito, yung pag-confiscate, yung pagkakaroon ng sariling traffic code, yung mga LGU. However, ang problema noon po, just to be clear with everyone, kahit yung mga kapwa congressman namin who are representing mga lone district or their own cities, sila nagsasabi na, di LGC ang may problema. Local government code, kasi it says there that they have the authority to issue ordinances on traffic. Although I understand, kahit yung chairman po natin ay I believe author rin yung sa LGU traffic code, medyo nagkakaibi kami sa stance dito. Kami we're of the position na it should still be the 4136 would still be supreme, and in fact they should follow that. And I believe with the MMDA pa nga po, meron ngang Supreme Court ruling na when it comes to traffic apprehensions, sila po ang masusunod. I'm not sure if that can be confirmed by the MMDA. But all that to say po, ang problema po talaga natin is yung interpretation. Ang sabi nga po nila at the time is kung may problema po kami, edi kasuhan po namin yung city government or municipality. So, magiging issue po talaga yan, sir. That's a very long road ahead. Kami nga po dito na nagkakaiba ang aming mga pananaw dyan. It's a very big issue. But however, going back lang po to the topic, no, siguro yung issue on yung whether or not i-confiscate ang license, we can leave it po sa penalties. Nasa Section 3 pa lang po tayo. Would it be okay po siguro po with the resource persons if let's lay out po siguro kung ano yung road rage, ano yung mga provisions, so what is encompassed by road rage. Tapos, mahabang usapan po kasi yan, I think mahabang usapin yung kung ano po yung magiging penalty doon. If we would all be in agreement with that, Mr. Chair.
Thank you very much.